Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your nickname in Webtoon. So guys, you can also have the option to change your nickname in Webtoon. So you have heard about the option but you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So once you're in this website, just go ahead and search for this profile like option with your name on it. And once you tap there, you'll see options like subscribe, comments, creators, account, and log out. All you need to do is tap on account, and right off the bat you'll see the option that says nickname. So just tap on edit right here, and once you tap there, just type in the nickname that you want. It says that you may enter a maximum of 20 characters containing alphabet, numbers, and symbols. Once you find the perfect nickname for you, just go ahead and tap on this check for availability. It says that this name already exists, so you just need to create a unique name for yourself. So guys, there you go. It says that you may use this nickname, and I'll just go ahead and tap on save, and you will successfully be able to change your nickname in Webtoon. So I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you change your nickname in Webtoon. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.